Welcome to the Stacker Social YouTube channel. Today, something really cool. One of our members, JSH, I'll pop all the details up here or there. Absolute brilliant new pourer. He's been doing some really cool copper work, some really cool aluminium, and his pours are absolutely out of this world, absolutely fantastic. The quality of them is super, and I was lucky enough to buy actually one of them. He put it up for auction in the actual Stacker Social Discord server in our little marketplace, and I won it. And today I want to show you exactly just how good it is. I'm just so looking forward to getting it open. So let's crack straight on. Let's get straight into it. And as you can see, it's packaged up really nicely, so I've got to get the knife out straight away. And just and the weight of it, it weighs tons. It's literally a couple of kilos, I think it was, from memory. And as you can see, he's really put the tape on. I'm having a bit of a hard time to get into it, but oh, here we go. What we got here? Bit of a cloth going on. What's no, I've got to get the knife in. I need a better knife. Look at the state of that. There we go. And I just had to quickly move my desk about. As you can probably see, I've got stuff everywhere, but I managed just to make a bit of space because the box was that big. And that's the beauty of it, as I say. JSH is knocking it out of the park with his pours. He goes by the moniker of the Primark pourer. Needs a new one in my book, because there's nothing Primark about these, as you'll see in a second as we get on with the unboxing. So here we go, look. Oh, what we got here? That's a punk envelope. What's happening? I'll reuse that. Cheers, JSH. Oh. Very cool. Here we go. Here you go, the first sold GS. There you go, Primark. There's nothing Primark about it. But look at that. How cool is that? And at the bottom, the Primark Pour COA. So I'll cut that off. I won't cut it off. I'll keep the letter all together. That's absolutely brilliant. PP01. Primark Pour 01. Excellent stuff. Now let's get into it and have a look, shall we? And look at this. Normally I'd save all this bull wrap, but I just want to get into it. I want to see it in the flesh. I've only seen photos on the auction page, and the auction, it was highly. 365 was in there. I think everyone started off putting bids on. There was quite a few people. I think Rex had a go, listing barnacles perhaps. So it was really. I didn't think I was going to get it, to be honest, but then I just managed to summon the energy and just go for a big push at the end, and we managed to get it. I'm so happy. Here we go. Look at the edge. Look at the deep relief you can see already on the edge. Oh, come on. Here we go. Look at that bad boy. Are you having that? Oh my word, look at that bad boy. Unbelievable pour. Look at the size of it. It's a chunk. And it absolutely weighs. I'm sure it's a couple of kilos. And look at the detail. And just look how deep. Look, unless you've poured metal or silver yourselves, you won't understand how difficult this is, because that relief is so big. And look, he's got all the details. There's no breakage. It's all bang on. And look at the rock at the bottom and his face and the axes. That's so difficult to pull off. Really difficult. And of course, this is aluminium, so that's even a harder metal to pour. But look at that all around the rock. How the sand hasn't collapsed there or broke when he's done his sandcast just shows you how good he is at his. I was going to say job, but his craft. But look at that. Absolutely stunning. He has got the look of somebody. I can't.
Oh dear, it's now
put my finger on it. Perhaps if you comment below in the comments, you tell me who you think that looks like. There is someone I know in the community that's got a bit of a liking to. I think he does use an axe now and again for his job. But anyway, there it is. Absolutely wonderful piece. And I can't wait to get that up in the pouring shed by the furnace. So I want to thank JSH once again. Thank you for putting it up for auction in Stacker Social. And folks, you've got to go and check it out. There's lots more pours going up by JSH and a lot of other talented pourers. We've got the Louis, Liquid Metals. There's so many in there. You've just got to go and check them out. Rioche Precious Metals, Crown Cast Silver. They're all in there. And that's what I got for you today. A nice little unboxing. See you soon.